Stories of garlic being used to protect us from the fang-tooth Darcula may not be of great help in recent times. Even though garlic may not drive an evil vampire, it surely can ward off all the blood-sucking diseases in our body. It is one of the most frequently used products in our diet. With the increasing health benefits, it surely can help us clear all the major illnesses in our life. The presence of sulfur gives garlic that biting smell for which it has become so famous. These odors and smells help you fight all kinds of illnesses. Ample amount of vitamin B6, vitamin C and selenium is present in garlic. A good source of manganese is available to boost your health. Studies have shown that daily dose of garlic in small amounts reduces blood pressure, serum triglycerides, platelet aggregation, and LDL cholesterol. On the other hand, it increases the level of serum HDL cholesterol and fibrinolysis to stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes you. The organ sulfur compound obtained in garlic is known as ajain and is used to treat skin cancer. It prevents heart disease and any risk of stroke. It is able to cut down the number of free radicals present in the bloodstream. Home remedies with garlic. Garlic has been widely used to cure acne. By rubbing garlic cloves on the affected area can get rid of acne. It purifies your blood, which cleanses it to keep acne away. To get rid of warts, apply garlic juice on the wart 2 times daily for about a week. Garlic is termed as an aphrodisiac. By consumption of 2 or 3 raw garlic cloves in a day could help you overcome the sexual impotency problem. Garlic juice poured in your punctured ear can alleviate your pain. It is also very useful for arthritis patients. It boosts the immune system and reduces pain. By chewing, garlic can get you rid of a cold. The antiviral agents help to fight off a cold in a matter of days. Rubbing garlic cloves on a cut can clear off any chances of infection. Having garlic a day would help you to clear your allergies. Having 2 or 3 cloves of garlic every morning can help you overcome back problems. To beat cough problems, use 10 to 15 garlic cloves. Chop them properly. Cover it with honey and keep it overnight. Have it first thing in the morning. It would help you cure your cough problems. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe now.